Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of turning TikTok videos into a blog post using a tool called Blogify. This method is simple and powered by artificial intelligence. To follow along, click the link in the description to create your free Blogify account. Let's get started. Begin by clicking the link in the description below to go to Blogify's official website. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Free Trial option. It will usually be visible as a button or banner. Click it to start the registration process. Enter your name, email address, and any other required details. You can also use your Google account to sign up if that's easier for you. After filling out the form, check your email inbox for a verification message from Blogify. Open the email and click the link to confirm your account. Once verified, log in to Blogify to access your personal dashboard. Now, open TikTok in a new browser tab or on your phone and find the video you want to convert into a blog post. Play the video briefly to confirm it's the correct one. Make sure to select your own TikTok video or get permission from the video owner. Copy the link to the video by tapping the Share button and selecting the Copy Link option. Make sure the link is accurate before moving on. Switch back to Blogify and look for an option to create a new blog post in your dashboard. Click it to open a field where you can paste the TikTok video link. Paste the link into this field and click the Submit or Convert button. Blogify's AI will analyze the video, extract key details, and start generating a blog post. The process may take a moment, so wait while the tool completes the task. When the processing is done, Blogify will generate a draft of your blog post. This draft will include a summary of the video, written in a clear format. Review the draft carefully to ensure it reflects the video's main points accurately. If you see anything that needs adjustment, use Blogify's built-in text editor to make edits. You can also customize the blog post by refining the introduction, adding context, or including your personal voice. Blogify offers formatting tools to improve the appearance of your post. You can add headings, bullet points, or images to make it more engaging for your readers. Take time to format the post until it looks exactly how you want it. Once you're satisfied, save your changes. After finalizing your blog post, decide how you want to publish it. You can download the text, copy it to your clipboard, or use Blogify's integration options to publish it directly to your blog platform. Follow the instructions provided if you choose to use the direct publishing feature. And that's how you can convert TikTok videos into engaging blog posts with Blogify. Don't forget to click the link in the description to create your free Blogify account and try it for yourself.